The Survey Traverse Interactive Calculator solves coordinate calculations, traverse closures, adjustments, bearings, areas, and azimuth conversions for surveying projects. This calculator has a drop-down menu for select calculation mode, with 6 options. Calculate coordinates from bearing and distance, calculate traverse closure and error, compass rule, adjustment, calculate bearing and distance from coordinates, calculate traverse area using the coordinate method, and convert between bearing and azimuth. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate coordinates from bearing and distance. The input fields include starting northing in meters, starting easting in meters, bearing degrees from 0 to 360, and horizontal distance in meters. Let's work through an example. I'll enter starting northing of 1,000 meters, starting easting of 1,000 meters, bearing degrees of 45.3, and horizontal distance of 150.25 meters. After clicking Calculate, the results show delta n equals 105.685 meters, delta e equals 106.798 meters, final n equals 1,105.685 meters, and final e equals 1,106.798 meters. These values represent your latitude and departure changes, plus the final coordinates of your traverse point. Find the link in the description below.